Summer is here, and that means it's time to start selling some shorts. So I went on the Boom Wholesale website, used code MONEYMENTAL for 15% off, and bought a box of branded shorts from Boom Wholesale. Really excited to see what's in here. Hopefully we get some nice chino shorts. There'll probably be some sports shorts as well, but I'm just going to empty up the box, or open up the box I should say, and get cracking. Let you guys know what you can expect to receive if you buy one of these. And Boom Wholesale, of course, be one of my favourite suppliers, if not my favourite supplier of second-hand clothing. Always tend to give stuff in good condition, decent brands, and a reasonable price when you use my discount code anyway. So let's see what we've got in here. Box is now open. Got the paper tape because Boom are quite keen on sustainability. I will put the box down on the floor and pull stuff out from it. So first up, we've got a nice pair of North Face shorts. Yeah, very nice North Face shorts. Men's extra small. They will be getting listed today. I have to make myself bleed as well, so let's not bleed over these shorts. We've got a nice pair of Lacoste shorts. What are these? These are an extra large. So a nice pair of black Lacoste shorts. We have got what I suspect are some Adidas Air Ready shorts. So you will get some sports shorts here in these, which don't retain the best value, unfortunately. But they do sell very quickly, especially on Vinted, I find. This is what I like to see. Nice pair of Timberland shorts. Beautiful. We have got some Tommy Hilfiger shorts. There we are. Nice style on those, they should do well. Got some swim shorts. What brand are on these? Reebok swim shorts, so they're probably not the best resale, but I'll put them on cheap. We have got some Nike jogging shorts. And we've got, what are these? Some Adidas jogging shorts or sweatshorts. Sweatshorts probably the more appropriate name for them. What we got here? Nice pair of Nike golf shorts in black. Some Yves Saint Laurent shorts in an extra large. Yves Saint Laurent swim shorts. Be interested to see what value on those is. I've never sold Yves Saint Laurent shorts before. There's a pair of Reebok shorts. These are 3/4 length ones. They're actually slightly more popular, I find, than the shorter shorts. Tend to sell fairly quick again on Vinted. Pair of Puma sweatshorts. Yeah. Pair of Adidas sports shorts. Oh, give me some more chino shorts, please. Another pair of swim shorts. Reebok ones again, so Reebok, not the best value. Condition is, as always, very good on these. Might occasionally find one or two items with an issue, but generally, by and large, all good. Some Tommy Hilfiger sweatshorts. Nice red colour on those. They should sell quickly on Vinted again. Possibly Depop. You tend to do quite well them. Nice pair of North Face extra large shorts there. They should do very well. Pair of Adidas sports shorts. I usually just list those for about 15 quid each on eBay, free shipping, and a tenner on Vinted and Depop. Levi's 511 shorts, proper Levi's shorts as well. 15 to 20 on those. Lots of Calvin Klein shorts, Calvin Klein swim shorts. I sell those for about £9 on Vinted. A pair of Adidas swim shorts, but these are in quite a big size. And that's it. So that is the Boom Wholesale branded shorts. I will be listing these now, trying to get them out and get them sold as quickly as possible for summer. Let me know what you think on them in the comments down below. See you on the next video. Bye for now.